Hey guys, this is going to be part 4 of the KDX 200 rebuild. We got some stuff in the mail today. I'm going to get this opened up and lay it out and show you guys what we got. Alright guys, so today's going to be an exciting video. We got our piston rings and we got our gasket set. So, I'm going to get the bike pulled on out. And we're going to get the piston rings on, get the gaskets on, get the cylinder back on, get the head on. Then we're just waiting for a couple more parts. Then we're ready for the first start. Let me pull this bike out. Alright guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to take the seat off. We're going to take the tank off. And we're going to get these rings, gaskets, and cylinder head on today. Put these over here, get them out of the way. We'll get everything else out of the way. I put some Marble Mystery Oil in there. There it is. Probably gonna get that out because I'm not sure if that's supposed to go in there. Probably not. Alright, so let's get that out. I'm gonna have to come back, guys. I gotta get that shit out. Alright. So we got most of it cleaned up. Got the gasket off. We get the bolts off. Get the bolts off the head. Get the rings on. Press this sucker in. Now I don't have a ring compressor, so we're just gonna try to manhandle them in there carefully. Now this one, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but it has a T on it. Right there. Meaning, I guess, top ring. So, put that on. Actually, we're going to put the bottom ring on first. That's probably smarter. I'm gonna set this one at the, let me see the cylinder quick. Okay, I'm gonna set this one at the 3 o'clock position. Actually, we'll go with 2 o'clock, and another one's gonna go at 7 o'clock. Because the reason for that, oh, wait a second. Yeah, actually, this would be the bottom ring. I'm sorry. We got these rings put in the right spots here. So I was right the first time. Don't ever second guess yourself, guys. Why isn't that one fit in there? Let's see. Is there crap in there? I'm gonna clean out these ring valleys first. Now here's the old rings. Let's match these up. Make sure they're the same. Hopefully they are. Which they look the same. So I went by the same original part number because it is, I would hope, imagine it's a stock bore. Might just be a little dirty. Okay, I see what's going on here. So there's little, I was wrong, there's little things that position the rings for you on the piston. Little gouges. I hate putting piston rings on. Such a pain. There we go. Little notches inside the piston that line the rings up so like you don't get blow by. Yeah, I'll be back with you guys when I get these rings on. Okay, so I didn't record it because it was being a pain in the you-know-what to get everything lined up. I had to take the piston out off the rod, make sure the rings were right because they just weren't going in there right, bud. I gave them a little filing, they went right in. So I'm going to set you guys back up and we're going to get the rest of this thrown together. Alright, so what we're going to do is put the nuts, the bolts in to hold the head down. And get my ratchet set. Now, yes, guys, I am aware that you're supposed to torque it. Torque all the bolts down. And I don't have a torque wrench at the moment, so what I'm going to do is give them the old, that's good enough. It'll be fine. I will go back and torque them all, probably not on camera. Only time I can get the torque wrench is at nighttime. Unless I just record it and post it tomorrow. I do try to do stuff the right way as much as possible. But I'm sure you guys know how that goes. Front ones. This one. Pretty heavy bike for what it is. Get the wrenches. click. Click, click. The torque wrench right there. Click, click. Alright, so we're going to see how that piston moves up and down. Oh yeah, that goes real nice. It's real good. It's time to get the top part of the head on. Actually, we'll get this on first. Don't know what this is. Goes on the other side of the head. Don't know what it does, nothing. But we'll put it on. That's a 10. Snub that up. Alright, let's get this cleaned up. Put the next gasket on. Head on. Unfortunately, I can't start it today because I need to wait for the boot to come for the carburetor and the power valve. I'm going to put some more oil in this. Just so it doesn't start dry or nothing. Let's keep everything oiled up. Oil ain't going to hurt nothing. If anything, will make it better. Looks good to me. Clean that up. Look better. Got the next gasket. Alright, so here's our next problem. Oh, maybe not. Okay, yeah. Now, if you remember, we drilled and tapped this hole bigger. Now, this gasket has to be filed out a little bit so it'll fit the bolt. I'll be back with you. Alright, so we got it filed out. That'll work. I'll get you guys set up. Alright, we got the head. I gotta clean this out a little bit. Alright, we got our head. It's ready to be put on. Our bolts. get these ran down. I ain't tightening them, I'm just running them down because they got that nylon end on them. Trying to get different ones because I didn't get none of the top end bolts. Got this like in boxes. Need to get a little impact driver. Impact gun. Oh. Milwaukee or something. I hate this ratcheting. Cuts down the time. Now this might be a longer video today, and I don't know if you guys want longer or shorter, but I'll try it out. These other guys. Maybe a 15. Okay. Yep. Here, let me get back to you guys after I get these tightened up. Okay, so that's going to be the end of today's video. As you can see, you've got the top end assembled. We got some of the little things done. You also did see I need to get different bolts for the plastics and also drill this bolt out of this hole now and retap it because I guess it wasn't the right size. So, but I did go to a parts store and kind of just guesstimate it. Tomorrow we're going to be working on getting the exhaust mounted because there's also a broken bolt in the mount hole from the previous owner. So we'll get that squared away. Hopefully the part comes in tomorrow, the last part, and then I'm looking forward to ripping this thing. We do need to order brakes, but we'll see what happens. As always, have a good day. Subscribe, like, comment what you would do different, what I should do different, what you would like to see. And I'd appreciate it. Have a good day, everybody.